In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a website backup from Hostinger. Backing up your website is an essential task to ensure that your data is safe and retrievable whenever necessary, and it's always better to be prepared than caught off guard by unexpected data loss. So, let's dive into the process of securely exporting your website backup from your Hostinger account. First, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger hPanel. This is your primary control panel where all the magic happens, so make sure you have your login credentials handy and securely stored. Once inside, navigate over to the Websites section. You'll notice a list of your sites. Here, find the site you're looking to back up and click on the Dashboard option next to it. This will take you to a page filled with various tools and options tailored to your particular site. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu bar. Scroll down to the Files section and click on Backups. This section is your go-to place for managing all backup-related activities. Once you're in, you'll be presented with two main options: downloading your website files and downloading your database. Let's start with downloading the website files first. Switch over to the Restore and Download tab and click on Files Backups. After doing so, a list of available backup dates will appear. Choose the date that best matches your needs. Make sure to select the right one, as this will be what's retrieved for your download. Once you've picked a date, click Download Files. This action kicks off the preparation of a tar.gz archive, which is essentially a compressed version of your website files, making it easier to download. Be patient. This may take a little time. Once the archive is ready, a download button will appear. Simply click it, and the complete set of your website files will be saved locally to your device. Now let's get those database backups. Switch your attention to the Database Backups section. You'll need to select the database associated with your website along with the date of the backup you wish to export. Much like before, this choice is crucial for accurately retrieving the correct data. After making your selections, click on Download Database. Hostinger will then prepare a .sql.gz file for you, which contains all your database information compressed for easy transfer and storage. Once the preparation is complete, the download button will enable, allowing you to download the file directly to your computer. And there you have it, a complete and secure export of your website's files and database from Hostinger. Always remember that implementing regular backups is a critical component of maintaining a robust and reliable website. Hopefully, this guide makes the task a little bit easier for you. Thank you for watching, and happy backing up!